I just got the SPD Trombone and Muffler, so I put a microphone on the back of my truck and I'm gonna take it for a drive so you can hear the exhaust. And it sounds good. I'm also gonna open that window so you guys can hear it through there also. But I just wanna give it a few rips down the street so that you can experience this with me, because I'm so excited and a couple of friends have been asking, what does it sound like? So let's put it to the test. I'm gonna put the truck in manual. It already sounds so much better than my truck sounded not even like 3 hours ago when it was just a stock Gen 2. Let's mute that. Here we go. Oh, let's open this window. Forgot. I wonder if it'll have any overrun if I, what if I just... No. Alright. Sound like an idiot, but I'm so excited about this new setup. Let's just put it in drive and I'll do sport mode. I don't condone driving like that, but it does sound good.